Hello friends, I am Nageshwar and you most welcome to NM classes. In the previous video, we can learn the part 1 of important world geography GK question for all competitive exams. If you cannot watch the previous video, so please watch it. Now, today we learn part 2 of important world geography GK question for all competitive exams. Now, let's start the video. Please watch the video till the end. Which is the longest railway line in the world? The correct answer is B. Trans-Siberian Railway. Trans-Siberian Railway is 9,289 km long railway line runs from Moscow to Vladivostok, Russia. Question number 2. New York is situated on which bank of river? The correct answer is option C, Hudson. Question number 3. What is the name of Holland? The correct answer is option D, the Netherlands. Question number 4. Which city is called by City of Water? The correct answer is C. Venice. Question number 5. Who was the first man to draw the map of Earth? Option number A. Alexander. Question number 6. Which is the highest mountain range in the world? A. Alps, B. Andes, C. Himalayas, D. Rocky Mountain. The correct answer is C. Himalayas. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, is situated in the Himalaya mountain range, Andes, longest mountain range. Question number 7. Which is the largest city in the world by land area? The correct answer is New York. New York is an eminent city of America. The land area of New York is 8,683 square kilometer. The most populous city in the world is A. Delhi, B. Tokyo, C. Sao Paulo, D. Shanghai, Tokyo. More than 37 million people live in the capital of Japan according to 2020. Which country is called by the breadbasket of Europe? The correct answer is Ukraine. Question number 10. Which country is known as the sugar bowl of the world? The correct answer is option number A, Cuba. Question number 11. Who is the first blind man to reach at the top of Mount Everest? Option number D, Erik Van Meyer. American athlete Erik Van Meyer reached the summit of Mount Everest on 25 May in 2001. Question number 12. Which is the hottest place on the earth? The correct answer is D, Death Valley, California. Recording temperature 57 degrees Celsius. What is the coldest place on earth? Vostok Station, Antarctica, minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Recorded lowest temperature is minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Vostok Station is a Russian remote research station in the continent of Antarctica. Question number 14. Which is the wettest place or rainiest place in the world? The correct answer is Mao Sanram, India. Cherrapunji, which is also located in Meghalaya, India is the second wettest or rainiest place in the world. Average annual rainfall is 11,777. Which country is called by the battleground of Europe, or which country is known as the cockpit of Europe? The correct answer is Belgium. Question number 16. What is the national bird of New Zealand? The correct answer is kiwi. Question number 17. Which country has the oldest national flag in the world? The correct answer is Denmark. Officially adopted in the year 1307. Earth Day celebrated on. The correct answer is 22 April. First celebrated in 1970. Question number 19. World Environment Day is celebrated on. The correct answer is 5 June. Question number 20. Which country is the world largest producer of coffee? The correct answer is option A, Brazil. Which is the largest tea producing country in the world? The correct answer is China. And second largest tea producing country in the world. Second, India. India stands in the second position to produce tea in the world. The highest waterfall of the world is Angel Fall. Angel Fall is 3,212 feet in height and it is located in Venezuela. Tugela Fall is the second highest waterfall in the world. It is 3,110 feet in height, located in South Africa. Question number 23. What is the lowest water body of Earth? The correct answer is Dead Sea. Dead Sea is 423 meter, 1,388 feet below sea level. It is lying between Jordan and Israel. Question number 24. Which is the deepest place on Earth? A. Manya Trench. Note. Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean. Maximum depth of this trench below sea level is 10,994 meter, 36,000. What is the capital of Finland? The correct answer is Helsinki. Question number 26. What is the capital of Denmark? The correct answer is Copenhagen. Question number 27. What is the name of the Parliament of USA? The correct answer is Duma. Question number 28. Boundary line between France and Germany is called. The correct answer is option B, Maginot Line. Question number 29. Which city is called by the Motor City? The correct answer is Detroit. Question number 30. Which is the deepest lake in the world? The correct answer is Baikal Lake. Baikal Lake is 1,642 meter, 5,387 feet, deepest lake in the world. It is located in southern part of Siberia in Russia. Question number 31. Which is the longest dam in the world? D. Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is 25.8 km in length and this dam is situated on Mahanadi River. It is located in the state of Odisha, India. Question number 32. SAARC stands for. The correct answer is C. South Asia Association for Regional Cooperation. Question number 33. The headquarters of SAARC is located at Kathmandu. Capital city of Nepal. where SARC was first established. The correct answer is Dhaka. Dhaka, capital city of Bangladesh. Question number 35. The SARC was established in Dhaka on. The correct answer is B. 8 December 1985. How many countries are associated with the SARC? The correct answer is 8. Note, 8 member countries of SARC are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Question number 37. Ceylon is the old name of which country? Sri Lanka. In 1972, its name was changed to Sri Lanka. Question number 38. Which country is known as the land of Thunderbolt, or which country is called by land of Thunder Dragon? The correct answer is Bhutan. Which country is called by the land of Red Dragon? China. The largest freshwater lake in the world. The correct answer is D. Lake Superior. North America's Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Question number 41. The largest saltwater lake of the world is Caspian Sea, Red Sea, Baltic Sea, Lake Bug. Caspian Sea, located between Europe and Asia. Question number 42. Which is the largest delta of the world? The correct answer is C. Sundarbans. Sundarbans Delta is also known as Ganesh Brahmaputra Delta, which is located in India and Bangladesh. Question number 43. Which city is known as the city of two continents? The correct answer is option B. Istanbul. Istanbul touches both Europe and Asia continent. Istanbul is a major city of Turkey. What was its former name? The correct answer is D. Constantinople. Question number 45. What is the longest river of the world? The correct answer is D. The Great Wall of China. This wall is 21,196 km long. Question number 46. What the international boundary line between Russia and Poland? The correct answer is A. Curzon line. Which European country is known as the land of cakes? The correct answer is option number C. Scotland. 48. Carrier situated on the bank of which river? The correct answer is option number B. Nile. 49. Cairo is the capital city of which country? The correct answer is option number A. Egypt. Question number 50. Which continent does not have a country? The correct answer is C. Antarctica. Antarctica is often called the frozen continent. Question number 51. Which continent has the highest number of countries? The correct answer is C. Africa. Africa has a total 54 countries. Asia stands in second position with 48 countries. Question number 52. Maximum spoken language in the world is? The correct answer is D. Mandarin Chinese. 1.2 billion native speakers. Question number 53. Which country is the highest oil exporter country in the world? The correct answer is option number A. Saudi Arab. Saudi Arab produces oil 11.75 million barrels per day. Question number 54. Which is the deepest river in the world? The correct answer is B. Congo. Congo River is 722 feet deep. Congo River is also known as Zaria River. It is located in Central Africa. Question number 55. What is the shortest river in the world? The correct answer is A. Roe River. Roe River is 200 feet long. This river is located in Montana, United States. What is the name of the currency of England? The correct answer is option number D. Pound sterling. 57. Which river is known as China's sorrow? The correct answer is option number C. Hangho River. Hangho River is known also known as the Yellow River. Question number 58. Which country is called by the land of thousands elephants? The correct answer is option number B. Laos. Thailand is known as land of white elephant. Which continent is known as a land of thousand languages? Africa. Question number 60. What is the biggest port in the world? The correct answer is option number A. Port of Shanghai, China. Which is the hottest desert in the world? The correct answer is C. Sahara. Sahara Desert is also the largest desert in the world. It is located in Africa. 62. The hot, dry, dusty local wind of the Sahara Desert is known as. The correct answer is B. Sirocco. What is the driest place on earth? The correct answer is D. Atacama Desert Child. National emblem of which country shows a lion and sword? The correct answer is B. Sri Lanka. What is the national bird of Australia? The correct answer is A. Emu. 66. What is the name of the currency of Malaysia? The correct answer is C. Ringgit. 67. What is the capital city of Malaysia? The correct answer is D. Kuala Lumpur. Which is the highest capital city in the world? The correct answer is A. La Paz. La Paz is the capital city of Bolivia. The height of La Paz is 3,640 meters above sea level. Which is the lowest city in the world? The correct answer is Jericho. Jericho is 258 meters below sea level. Which country first introduced the bullet train? The correct answer is B. Japan. Japan started the first bullet train between Tokyo and Osaka in 1964. Which country has the world's longest network of bullet train? The correct answer is option number D. China. When did Hong Kong become a part of China after British rule? The correct answer is 1st July in 1997. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? The correct answer is Atlantic Ocean. Which country is shaped like a boot? The correct answer is option number B, Italy. Question number 75. Which mountain pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan? Cyber Pass. The Cyber Pass is a mountain pass in the northwest of Pakistan. Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea are joined by the Suez Canal. Question number 77. In which country Suez Canal is located? The correct answer is option number B, Egypt. Question number 78. Which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? The correct answer is option number D, the Amazon rainforest. South America's the Amazon jungle is the world's largest tropical rainforest. What the longest road in the world, or which is the world longest motorable road? Motorable road. The correct answer is option number C, Pan American Highway. The Pan American Highway is about 48,000 km long, which starts from Prudhoe Bay, Alaska to Ushuaia, Argentina. What the name of the Parliament of Japan? The correct answer is option number B, Diet. Which country is known as the Red Island? The correct answer is option number D, Madagascar. Which country has the largest Muslim population in the world? The correct answer is option number A, Indonesia. 225 million Muslims live in Indonesia, which is 12.7% of the world's Muslims. Kiev is the capital city of Ukraine. The Panama is a man-made 77-kilometer waterway that connects Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. The country famous for its fish catch is D, Japan. The Karakoram Highway connects which of the following pairs of countries? The correct answer is option number D, China and Pakistan. 87. Which city is called the city of 1000 minarets? The correct answer is option number B, Cairo. Which city is known as the city of Golden Gate? The correct answer is D, San Francisco. San Francisco is an eminent city of California, USA. The highest coal producing country in the world is China. Which is the largest or biggest airport in the worldwide area? The correct answer is B, C, King Fahd International Airport. King Fahd International Airport is spread over 780 square kilometers and is located in Daman, Saudi Arabia. Which is the world busiest airport? The correct answer is A, Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Question number 92. The oldest international airline is D. Dutch KLM. The Royal Dutch Airlines, legally known as KLM, is the national airline of the Netherlands. KLM was established in 1919. What the world's largest passenger airplane? Airbus A380. Airbus A380 belongs from UAE. Airbus A380 carries 868 passengers. Airbus A380 is a double-deck four-engine airline manufactured by Europe manufactured Airbus. The length of Airbus A380 is 239 feet, 7 passengers. 94. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO? The correct answer is option number B, Paris, France. 95. What the full form of UNESCO? United National Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. WHO stands for A, World Health Organization. Where is the headquarters of WHO located? The correct answer is option number B, Geneva, Switzerland. In which city first underground railway opened? C, London. Underground railway in the city of London was opened for the people on 10 Jan in 1863. Which country has the most number of time zones? The correct answer is B, France. France has 12 time zones. World Population Day is observed on which day? A, 11 July. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.